Okay. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monia. You're watching Ride or Die with Monia. If this is your first time, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. I am going stir crazy, cabin fever, like no other. Quarantine in my apartment. So I was like, oh, what better way than to kill time than record videos and just be like the absolute silliest that I can be for you guys while still providing you with education. Regardless, I am gonna do a quick video. I wanted to do this with the video that I made for Pat Mcgrath, the concealer and the setting powder. However, they messed up my order. I think I mentioned that briefly in the video. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. If you need to find ways to kill time, watch that video. But I'm gonna make a special video just for that concealer brush because it is a pretty penny and I got it in the mail. They ended up fixing the order for me by myself. I didn't have to contact them, so that customer service, exceptional. And I'm gonna try it out today with my makeup and just see how it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and do everything but my concealer. Guys, drink water. Be safe out there. The coronavirus is serious. Do not take it lightly. Please be mindful of yourself and others and try to really limit your interactions with anyone could easily get it just by coughing, touching something, and then you touch your eyes, your nose, your mouth. You probably don't even realize how much you touch your face or your mouth or your eyes until you kind of watch people. The other day I went to Costco and some girl's just like on the bag to put her meat in, and I was like, so I basically did not touch any cards, grabbed everything I could in my hands. I was like running around the store. Oh, I need this, oh, hands are full, time to go home. So please be mindful, wash your hands, and take whatever precautions you need to ensure that you are protecting yourself, your family, and your friends, because safety is always important, and I really do think that that's something that people should start being aware and start trying to be a little bit more proactive rather than reactive. That being said, that's my TED Talk for the day. All right. Okay, so the concealer brush, it is the Pat Mcgrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Concealer Brush. This is used to apply concealer, blend it in, and it goes for $32. You can now buy it on Sephora. It's a brush that offers a unique angled shape that allows for intuitive application and control, ensuring blendability and superb laydown. What else do you need to know? The brush is made with patent-pending TRX fiber technology bristles to deliver superior pickup and effortless blending to eliminate imperfections. So let's go ahead and open this up. I've not had a brush from Pat Mcgrath. I typically think that you can get by with like a Morphe brush or something of that extent. I don't think you really need to be spending an arm and leg for brushes per se. You could totally find workarounds around that. Okay, so this is a lot smaller than I thought it would be for some reason, so it's tiny. Like that's my hand and this is the brush. This is tiny. So what are we gonna do? You guessed it, we're gonna go ahead and put some concealer on. Wow! I'm gonna be using the Hourglass concealer because that Pat Mcgrath concealer is yellow as yellow can be. So just a little bit about the brush. It's it's elegant, it's beautiful, I love it. The bristles are very soft, but it's very dense, like it has little to no movement, but it's very, very soft to the touch, so I'm excited about that. And it kind of has like an oval shape to it. So I just finished blending out and applying the concealer all underneath my under eye and a little bit over my eyelid. And I'll come back with my final thoughts on this brush. Okay, I am back, finished the rest of my makeup with my first impression final thoughts. Does that make sense? Sounds like it. On the Pat Mcgrath concealer brush, would I recommend this? No, I would not. I think you can spend your money for other items where Maybe quality isn't concerned. I think this is a very high quality, high-end product. I think where the problem lies is the comfort of it, of using the product. Obviously you want a high quality product, but you also want to feel comfortable while using it. The brush on this, yes, it's very dense and it doesn't soak up a lot of the product, and it blends it around, moves it around on the face, and it does look great. However, that comfort piece of it, where it feels gentle on my sensitive skin, especially it being underneath your under eye area, that obviously is a very thin layer of skin compared to the rest of your face. So you want to make sure that you aren't using any products or tools that might potentially irritate it or feel uncomfortable using it. It did, the stippling of it when I was blending it out it felt like a little bit prickly, and I think I might have mentioned it while using it or after I used it. So because of that, I would not recommend this product. I don't think it's worth $32 where you feel like you're not sold on the entire product itself. And for me, this is just not doing it. If you got a hold of this brush, what are your thoughts? Do you agree that it is dense and it does move the product around great? Like there's no problem with like using it other than the fact that it just does not feel good on my skin. It's like a prickly little like little needles just like prickling your skin, and it's just like, ooh, I don't like it. Yeah, no, I want something that's like soft and luscious and was like, oh, so gentle and nourishing, and oh, my little baby. Like that's what I want on my skin. So this is not it. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell because I am dropping videos left and right. I am no longer uploading them only on Thursdays. I'm trying to drop them as quickly as I can make them, edit them, and publish them. My intentions for this channel are to give you the information as quickly as possible as I can get it on in regards to new products that I am reviewing, so I can get that turnaround rate as quickly up to the channel so you guys have that information at the tip of your fingertips, and you can go ahead and make a quick decision on whether you want to get something or not based on my opinion, you know, if you care about what I say, or just on other research that you do. But I do want to give you the information as quickly as I can. And so go ahead, subscribe, hit the bell, and make sure you get notifications whether I do drop videos, and spread the love. Tell people about me, you know, say how great and entertaining I am, and most importantly, the beautiful voice that I have. Just saying. I mean, there's a million reasons why. We can go through it, but I don't want to waste your time. Outside of that, please be safe. The coronavirus is real. It's alive. It's out there. Protect yourself. I just got a bunch of emails from some of the volunteers centers that I do. One is for domestic violence and the other one's for an animal shelter, and they are like, nah, bruh, we shutting down for 2 weeks, and maybe you can come and help us out and maybe not. So please stay home, limit your exposure to other humans, pets, and just chill. Be chill, you know? If you're bored, just comment on this video and we're good. Until the next one, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make him drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my affection. Yeah, these are my only intention. Harvard with equity on acid. Shower you with all of my tensions. Yeah, these are my only intention. Shout out to your mama and dad for making you. Raising you when I create, you're my muse. Yeah, it's on the news. Oh yeah.